I want to get to the very latest on the breaking news from Baltimore now. Jumi's at the live desk with what we know. Jumi?
Well, Autria, good morning. We do have a look at the latest information coming in from Baltimore right now. This is courtesy of the Baltimore Police Department. If we can pull up their Twitter account right now, we can show you what's been going on while you were sleeping. Just about 2 hours ago in the 1700 block of Fulton Avenue, police say a woman was reported to be shot in the leg. Police there are investigating. We also they know that they continue to ask motorists this morning to avoid the Fulton Avenue and Pennsylvania Avenue areas to continue the work going on there. Police in Baltimore say they continue to work with their law enforcement and public safety partners throughout the night to deploy resources to the city. So this was just coming 2 hours ago, and then about 3 hours ago is when they reminded the public about that general curfew being in effect for the city of Baltimore from 10 p.m. Until 5 o'clock in the morning. This is May 4th we are talking about, next week. So we are continuing to look at everything going on there, the latest situation. We'll update you as soon as we get that information. Back to you, Audrey.